Let's talk about spreading doomsday fear. In the Homestead prepper community here on YouTube, many channels are involved with spreading doomsday fear. They go out of their way to make you feel fearful, getting you to thinking, like pretty much every day, you're going to die if you don't do exactly what they're telling you to do. How do you not let the crazy homestead and prepper community influence how you live your life?
Live happy, fun-loving, and carefree.
The world we live in today is much different than it was even just a few years ago. Since I started this channel back in 2010, January 2010, a long time ago, it's always been about living self-sufficient. My goal has been sharing a lifestyle of how to live intentionally. No matter what is going on in the world, my thoughts have always been how you can live happy and in the moment. You taking care of you. You in control of your path in life. Here on YouTube, there are channels sharing valuable, helpful information. Sure are. The thing is, people look at self-sufficient, simple country living and being prepared is living in a conspiracy world. And because of this, there are channels that are putting their personal gain, the popularity of their channel, front and center by cashing in on spreading doomsday fear. So, how do you decide if a homestead and prepper channel is going too far? How do you decide if a homestead and prepper channel has crossed the line? Here's the line, and they've crossed it. Is the channel benefiting by spreading doomsday fear? This has been bugging me for a while now. I'm seeing so much of it, and I just want to share this with you. First, I can't tell you which channels are good and which channels are bad. I can't do that. Which channels are sharing valuable homesteading, being prepared information, and which channels are sharing simply spreading fear. It's going to be different for all of us. There's the ones that are obviously good, yep, good, and some channels are obviously bad, really, really bad. And then there's a whole bunch of channels, bunches and bunches of channels in the middle. You have to decide where the line is for you. What information is helpful for you, and what information, the way that they're sharing it is harmful, spreading doomsday fear. Yep, the difficulty for you is to decide where the line is drawn between scaring the crap out of you with fear-spreading content and honest and helpful information that guides you to living a better and healthier life. Is the line here? Is the line here? Or is it over here? Of course, I'm here sharing my thoughts on self-sufficient, happy life no matter what's going on in the world around us. For me, it's always been, and has for as long as I can remember, going all the way back to my youth, living a life that you don't need a vacation from. Now, I'm not going to mention any channels by name. I'm not going to point them out, but I'm sure you know who they are if you've looked around at different channels. You understand what's happening, spreading fear. It's just not the best way to operate. Sure, it's good old capitalism. These channels are monetized, and they may even have sponsors and brand deals. Making some money. They're making money sharing fear, sharing bad information for their personal gain, with no concern for the people that are watching their videos. At the far end of the spectrum are the channels that I'm most frustrated with because, yep, in my opinion, they are knowingly benefiting by pushing people's buttons with negativity, with videos, titles like this. They are planning for World War III. How do you prepare for war? Total food shortages are coming. How do you prepare for when there's no food? Gas rationing will be here soon. How do you prepare for no gas available? And on and on and on and on. Fear is big business. Now, sure, any of these things might be happening, and they may be actually happening really soon. But I feel there's a right way to share the information and a wrong way to share the information. Are we on the same page here? I mean, are you getting me? Making sense? Let me know in the comments. Let me know. I really want to know. As Steve Jobs said, why join the Navy when you can be a pirate? And along this same thinking, one of my sayings is, rules are made up by one group of people to control another group of people, and pirates don't follow rules. And that goes for living on the homestead too. Right now, a lot of people are arguing about the rules. Half the people are saying you should be able to do that, and people shouldn't be able to do this. And the other half of the people are saying, no, that's not right. People shouldn't be able to do that, and people should be able to do this. It's a mixed up world. I'm all for forgetting about the rules. Forget the rules. We don't have any choice, but to do our best to survive in this current situation. My opinion, you might as well be happy. Life all around us is going to keep falling apart. And what can you do about it? I mean, I can't do anything. You can't do anything. Focus on what actually matters. Focus on what you can control. Focus on living a simple, self-sufficient country life. Focus on a positive attitude and the big picture. Focus on growing your own food. No point living in fear about what's happening or what's might going to happen or whatever. Well, you might as well be happy. That's my thinking. Don't let the crazy homestead and prepper community scare the crap out of you with their spreading doomsday fear videos. You get to decide how you will live your life. Live happy, live fun-loving, and live carefree. Freedom! No doomsday fear.